Square root of x negative 3 over x negative 9. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to the expression above? In the given answer choices, we have to find the one that is equivalent to this expression. For that, we can do some simplification on the given expression. Let me take the given expression as it is. That is square root of x negative 3 over x negative 9 equals to, let me write the numerator as it is. That is square root of x negative 3 over, we can write this x as square root of x. Okay, now let's square this one so that this is equal to x, because when I simplify this one, that is the square root and square root cancel, this is still equal to x. And we can write this 9 as a 3 square, that is a negative 3 square. Okay, now let me take the stuff in the numerator as it is, that is square root of x negative 3. Now let me consider an algebraic identity, that is a square negative b square, that is equal to a positive b times a negative b. Whenever we have a difference of two squares like this one, it can be written in factored form, that is a positive b times a negative b. When I consider this expression, it is exactly in the form of a square negative b square. At the place of a, we have square root of x. At the place of b, we have 3. So we can write this one in factored form like this one. So we have to write square root of x at the place of a, 3 at the place of b. Then we have square root of x positive 3 times square root of x negative 3. Here square root of x negative 3, square root of x negative 3 will cancel. That is here 1 times, here 1 times. We have 1 over square root of x positive 3. This is a 1 which is equivalent to the given expression. I find this expression in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.